Okay, so I was doing a live video, but I was having some problems. So we're gonna go ahead and just do a pre-recorded video. And right here, I got the Dow. I got what's going on, man. The Dow plunges 1,100 points. Right, look at that right there, 1191 down. Unbelievable. I said this. I did a video last night, and this is exactly what I said. I said it's coming. Look at I can never say it. Coronavirus live updates. California monitoring 8,400 people. Stocks continue to free fall. I don't know what that's about with the 8,400 people, but I know there's one person up north California that's got it. They don't know how he got it. He didn't go to China. That means, how did he get it? Right? And then it's a mess, man. It's going to be a mess. The market is nervous. Look at this drop right here. I had this. Let's pull up the weekly. And you can see, oh my God, I am so upset because I've been predicting this for weeks. I've been out of the stock market for weeks. You know, just playing one stock, two stocks, and waiting for the big move. This is where you make all the money. And I missed it. Why? Because you get the gap down on that Monday, 800 points, and there's this boom, 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 boom. No pullback. I mean, look at right here. All right, let me zoom in. All right, you see how ugly that chart is? That's what it's been from the 52-week highs all the way down to where we are now, which is like 12% down. It hasn't. The stock market's never fell that fast in history. In history. What does that got to tell you about moving forward? But I'm saying you can't short this market, because if the Fed comes in overnight, something happens, it could easily be a rip your face off kind of rally, and we're up like 1,500 points or something. And that's only going to get us up to yesterday. You know, so it's very risky, and this is why I'm not short. Option pricing is incredibly insane. And if the market starts ripping up, volatility is dropping fast, and them options, if you were to buy them, you still might not be making no money, because the premium, it's getting sucked out. You know, all of that time. You know, I should say the volatility. So it's like you don't know what to do. You're waiting for. Let me pull up the 4-hour chart. You're waiting for a pullback, which in this situation is a pull up, because we're going down. All we did was drop. I mean, just dropping sideways, a little sideways action for a few hours, and then drop. These are bear flags. Drop, over, drop. So tomorrow will be a sideways day, according to this. It was almost a little capitulation at the end, though. And see how we went right through the support? Right there. I mean, we sliced right through that. I thought we was going to hold up there. Look at that, right? What are we at? We sliced right through that like it didn't even exist. This is how I know we're going low. And I really, I'm so upset with myself, because I put positions back on in my IRAs and 401ks thinking, okay, you know, I got totally fooled. We knew about the coronavirus, but the market didn't, how can I say? Excuse me, the market didn't worry about it. It was ripping in the face of the coronavirus. Apple will come out and say, yeah, we don't know about our supply stream. Apple makes all-time highs the next day. It was just crazy. I'm like, oh, what the hell is, what? Nothing could stop it. And I don't even know. I don't even know how we here. It's just, like I said, I'm frustrated because I had no positions on. This is where you can make some goddamn good money. Oh man, if you just position right. But you can't now, because the VIX is insane. The VIX is 40. It's 39. This is the VIX. Let me pull up I'm going to have to pull up the monthly on this one. So you could see how many times in the last, this is the monthly? This is all the way to 15. Okay. Let's draw a little line so you could see. Oh, now, okay, my charts are growing. Now I see why I couldn't do a live. All right. How many times have we been at this point? Well, there was one time over here, February 2018. That was last year this time. And then there was a time, August 1st, 2015. So here we are. It was almost 4 years later we was this high. And then you go back here, and then it was 2011. See, this basically what I'm saying. This is historic for the most part. This is an event that happens every 3 to 4 years. We're just now kind of getting started in this. I mean, look, the VIX is after hours still climbing. How is that possible? Can you buy puts? I don't know why it's possible. Anyway, what did I want to say in this? This is very frustrating. We could look at some stocks like Amazon. This is really just getting started. I really thought this was going to be Teflon because these guys make some money, boy. It's not Teflon. Nothing is Teflon when the market's selling off like that. We are basically almost at the point before it reported that monster earnings, which made it went up 250 points. Look at that, man. Just gone. And I had put a position on because here it is. It's down 13.91%. You know, I was thinking we get a little pullback at 10% or pull up. We're not getting nothing. And so therefore, when we do get the pullback or pull up, however you want to look at it, relief, that's going to be shortable. People that didn't get out are going to be selling into it. Unless they we got the virus, we got the antidote or the vaccine, we're done. Now we just got to produce it and distribute it. You know, then it's in the past and we could probably go up. But a rate cut or whatever the Fed could do or any governments can do won't last long. It just will it's just not snapping back. I mean, the VIX, you can't buy puts, you can't buy any kind of protection or just making a play because they are too expensive. Look at let's pull up the SPY. All right, the most liquid kind of puts. Hopefully I got good data tomorrow. The options that SPY tomorrow at the money. What is it? 295, 297. Where are we? Bid 295 last. Yeah, we already down 2 more points in the after hours. Wow. Damn. All right, so all right, at the close, because these option prices ain't changing. At the close, we closed at 297. $5. That's expensive for something that expires tomorrow. It's saying it's saying we're gonna move 10 points up or down. I don't know about that. That's not right because we already moved 14 today. And I think tomorrow is going to be just as bad because tomorrow's the last day. Monday, Black Monday is coming around. A week like this, some bad news over the weekend or whatever, or just whatever. Mondays are never good. This whole started on a Monday. Monday could be ugly. So I think people just want to be out for the weekend. And it's just, yeah, I don't know, man. I hope that we just level out. Oh man, just very disappointed in myself. And hopefully you guys didn't get caught up. Did I say this before? Yeah, from right here. You want to call it right here? This is the SPY. This is saying October 21st to February, gone. Just wiped out in 4 days. This is why I don't like about it. Investing. You buy stocks, you hold on to them, put them in your portfolio. Say you got even yields going on, you got some good dividends, and it's just gone in 4 days. You're kind of dollar cost averaging it, and it's not like we're gonna be up like this tomorrow. We don't have no V pops going on. Remember the V's? All these V's been happening. I've been complaining. Where's the V at? There's not even an L. It's kind of a messed up L. We come down and slope, down, slope. The angle is still down. The angle of attack is just down. And I'm not really too surprised because it was so toppy. So I can't remember. This is my second video. We was going down anyway. All right. We was going down. So here's the reasons. We was toppy. Okay. We was already toppy. We was going down. Number one. Number two, bonds. Remember the crossover, the when the long crossed the short? Oh, we go into a recession, and now bonds rallying again. It's blowing. Oh man, the long is way past the short now. Two, Oil's crashing. Let's pull up the CL. Look at that. Oh man, $46. 3. I didn't mention the virus yet. Oh man, 4. The virus. 5. If you want to count Boeing. I mean, Boeing is another, just an example of things, putting nobody working. All right, so we'll count that as 4.1 or whatever. So we have all of those things, and it just kind of crashed, and then it's coming down hard on it. Oh, I forgot the other one. I'm sorry. 5. Bernie Sanders. He's gaining traction. Maybe he's gonna win. I can care less, but the market cares, and they know if he becomes president, he's taxing everybody. Okay, we're all getting taxed, So anyway, and the markets don't like that. Yeah, he's I won't even go there. Not even gonna go. But the market don't like that. So all of these things is considering. But here's the thing: none of this stuff came out the blue. Nothing. We knew about it. How was the market able to rip? This is why I was saying it was manipulated. I don't know how it was able to rip in the face of all this. It's no surprise that Bernie got traction. I mean, he almost got the nominee last time he ran, but he entered the race too late. And he kind of just a little too late. I'm just not surprised. So, and then, only thing that's a surprise us is the virus, but we was ripping in the whole month. Remember, the market was gapping up. Look at this, man. Look at the daily. Let's pull up the daily on the SPY. I'm going to zoom in close because I remember. I mean, we're getting bad news every day on this thing. Sorry, my charts are going slow. And look at it. This was the first day. This gap down, I believe, right here. And then we just gap, sideways. Bang, bang. We was going up 200 points every morning. You woke up, we was up 200-300 points. And it was every day that was bad news about the virus. So I don't know I'm like, what's going on? This is why I was ready. Now, I had pulled all my money out right around here on this gap up. I remember I was like, I'm out. I ain't messing around. So I rolled all of this up, came down, and I got in somewhere over here again. Because thinking it's just we're gonna, maybe, I'm a long-term investor, so I'm not necessarily worried about the swoosh. Kind of, a little bit, but I just want to see, can we bounce? Anyway, this is ugly, okay? It's ugly. You can't short it. Puts are expensive. You can get your face ripped off. It's probably not the best. The odds are probably just not good. I mean, we're totally oversold. Things got to go back to the mean, even though it's kind of going back to the mean this way. Not, what's the mean? I don't have no moving averages drawn up here. But if you pull up the whole chart, the mean is somewhere where it's at right now. Look how it just sliced through that. Oh man, look at the slice through that support. So maybe tomorrow we're up and the futures are up 400 points or something, but that's probably not good. We probably want to get that reversal candle down and up. And another thing, I want to talk about the VIX. I talked about the VIX, but the VIX is just, look at that solid green bar on the weekly. The VIX is not even trying to go down. It's just, I'm going up, and the most, I'll just take a pause. And I showed you, I mean, we're here every 3-4 years. Charts are just drawing slow. So it came down that's yesterday. No, this is today. Right here, I thought we was going to have a good rally, good comeback rally. Babe, I'm making a video, but I'm recording it. I'm recording it right now. You're on the video. All right. I'll talk to you later. She's going to be on the video. I'm not editing that out. So anyway, there it is. That's just my concerns. There's some good buys out here. The market today was buying 3M, right? Because they make the mask. 3M, I bought some 3M the other day. But it's not going to turn around this company because they make masks. You're going to rally them because they make the mask? And I want to bring up Tesla. I think Tesla got the beat down today. Look at that candle. That's what everybody's been waiting for. It was down 99 points. Oh, man. Woo! And I thought this week, at the beginning of the week, this stock was going to rally. 99 points. What was that other high flyer, Scuba? What was it? Something with space? Space. Down 23%. So now was another thing how you knew. That's how you knew he was getting toppy, because those stocks was insane. That told 1999-ish. 1999-ish wasn't this fast coming down, but it was long. Oh man, it was a 2-year decline. Is this the beginning of 2 years? I hope not, because none of us is gonna make money unless you buy the other side. All right, so that's it. Just be careful. It's vicious. A 39 VIX means volatility is insane. Okay, and things in my the market means the market can rip down or it could rip up. You just don't know. Although I feel it's gonna rip down. I put my stuff in. I didn't shake it up. Although I feel it's gonna rip down. It's good news of some sort will probably pop it up, because there's a lot of people short. You know, they caught it, not me, and they'll reverse. You know, they'll think we're back. You know, so once it starts going up, buying will get buying, but then it'll come to a level where boom, the people that got blown out of their position, whatever, the people that had positions and missed it, they're gonna want to get out. Okay, so it's gonna start again. You know, we'll just have to see. I think I don't know. I don't think it's gonna turn around till there's some kind of interaction, some kind of good news about the market's being hit with some bad. There is no good news nowhere. You know. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I'm sorry I did a live video. Internet was jacked. I don't know. I was on, off. I was talking. It says I wasn't on. Then it came and said I was on. Then it wasn't. I wasn't on. Then it said. So I just said, you know what? I'm just gonna make a pre-recorded video and then upload it. So hopefully this video comes out. I would like your comments, but I can't get them because it's pre-recorded. So anyway, thanks for watching, man. It wasn't a good trading day. I did some futures trading again. I think I'm down a couple hundred. I did an Amazon trade, a spread that expires tomorrow. Let me pull it up real quick. This is a good buy. Yeah, look at this. Did I talk about the? Come on, charts. Yeah, we almost at the breakout level. Unbelievable. Anyway, I did the 1912 to 1925 call spread. So if we can just get any kind of bounce tomorrow, that's going to expire in the money. Those are options to expire tomorrow. So I'm either going to lose or be up. Hopefully, I'm getting out as soon as it's up. If it gives me a chance, I'm getting out. I don't trust the end of day. And I just haven't been doing anything. I've just been trying to catch some of the moves with the futures because the volatility is insane. And I suck at. I'm good. I don't know. I won't say I'm good. I missed this move at the end. I'm missing where all the money is made. Look at the. Let's pull up the 5-minute. Oh man, it's still going down. Okay, we closed. Let me zoom in on this so you can see what's happening. The market closed right here. Oh, okay, it's starting to come back a little bit. Anyway, this run right here, lots of money could have been made right here. Oh man, missed it. I've been waiting for the snapback. I've been playing the snapbacks because I think the snapback is going to be more vicious, but it's going down. Oh, let me show you one more thing, the ticks, and then I'll be done. This is what I want to show y'all. This is the stocks advancing, advancing minus the stocks. How many stocks are advancing, over the decliners? Advance, decline, not advancing. How many stocks are ticking up versus how many stocks are ticking down? Okay, the tick chart. Pull up the minute. And you can see the ticks generally the 1,000-point line is extreme, and I'm gonna draw a picture. And look at all that. Look at all that selling right there, which is just crazy because it doesn't really happen like that. And generally, when the ticks tick at negative 1,000, it's a reversal. You can almost play that like clockwork and say buy futures, buy stocks, and it's going to reverse. It wasn't doing that. It was, look how low it was even getting, 14. It was just crazy. Let's pull that out and see when's the last time we sold off like that. Yeah, look at that line with the ticks, right? So you can see the last time we had ticks that low was over here. What day is this? This is July 31st, 2019. Let me pull up the weekly. And then the last time before that was last year, December 24th. And so we know about that day. I think that was the reversal day. Was that last year? So let's put up, did I say July 31st? July 29th. So let's pull up, let's see what the market was doing. So you got July 29th right here, which was basically here. Okay, so you can see we went down even further. And then 2018, right here on the 24th, right here. Actually, that was the bottom. This was almost the bottom, but it not really. You know, it was kind of just in that range. But so, you know, that's what I'm saying. This could actually be the bottom and we work our way up. You just never know. You just never know. So be careful. And hope you like this video, man. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe, hit the bell, all that stuff. I usually go live, and, you know, hit me up on Twitter, Dre Trades, Instagram, Dre Trades, Instagram, Dre Trades, yeah. YouTube, this is Dre, that's right here. Hopefully this video comes out. I hope you like it, enjoy it, and good luck. Good luck with whatever you do. Me, I'm just kind of sitting on my hand. I'm toying. Every little piece of trade I'm trying to do is not working. I'm afraid to do downside trades because I know if I put a downside trade on, the market's up. It's up. I'll go to the bathroom, come back. We're up 400 points. All right, so thanks for watching, man. Appreciate everybody. I see you.